Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Ford EcoSport Titanium in white platinum. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup window, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINOSCJD.com.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.